It is Boatstone 1500, and this is how it looks. And moving further, let me take you to the other surface as well. Here you can see boat branding, and a specification is also given there. And apart from this, the strap, and so here are other accessories. This Type C cable, aux cable, and this box as well. So moving further, this is how it looks. Anyhow, product is somehow premium, but it's too heavy when someone seems to be searching for a portable speaker, but it's a heavy one. It weighs around 3 kilogram, and this is where you can turn the volume down. This is where you can turn the volume up. This is for the play and pause. This is to switch off and on. And let me play some tracks for you.